Wait long. Good to go.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see it, please come my way. Like leaving brain control and I stray, yeah. Long sacrifice in the price my life, like living like a figure tale. Sometimes I fall, I slip, yeah. More friends I be more like you, yeah. Not to put the fire with the things I like.
I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get used to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind. Thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running. Wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior. Have me lost in light speed.
Times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord,
Go.
if you see it, please come my way. Like leaving brain control and I stray, yeah.
Hey.
Long sacrifice in the
Hey.
price my life, like living like a figure tale. Sometimes I fall, I slip, yeah. More friends I be more like you. Try not to put the fire with the things I like, be like.
The fear of never falling in love. And the tears after losing the feelings of what you thought love.
Vas-y Samy, ça vient. Bien joué. Genre un autre spawn. J'en ai un. Ah, j'en vois un. Okay, so I'm gonna run to the right. Ça va, Samy? Samy, t'es où? Ok, je vais passer là, moi. Il y en a un.
Welcome to Terradome. I'm your host of the baritone.
Are you good?
Channel the spirits of old poets.
Sorry, dude.
Glass never will hold a wet. Similar to Paul or his Dunbar. From the crew you thought was just all chorus in one star. Now I'm 1/6 of a click that brunch. While commercial counterparts are in constant conflict. A lot of details on my body be scales. I'm from Otter be
Hit.
time since like 11 with a real deep militant mind like Michael Evans. Every bossy recline and watch me give applause. Pouring reservoirs on your desert shores. You're witnessing mental and from plate to
Hey, wait a minute. Who are you?
competition. Listen. Bringing the a militant black cat. Killer venomous, platinum, black max. By forever spitting relevant facts, and that's that. Ain't how you play the game, it's how the game plays you. Way true, cadence is wild style, like phase two. Children without rest and blessed with skulls laced with time.
One bottom left.
Yes.
Okay, and one in the bathroom in the end, bottom right. Total 2 last. Good job. Hein? Non, quel coin?
Oula, c'est trop bien.
Putain, ouais, c'est clair. I wasn't expecting this one to hit. Yeah. Game!